Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to do just my eye makeup tutorial. So I'm going to match that eye makeup with the top that I'm wearing, and this is from Shein. So I'm not going to do like my complete face makeup, but I've just like concealed my spots. So I've just applied my concealer, like the no foundation routine, and I'm just going to focus on my eyes. So without wasting further ado, let's get straight into the video. So firstly, I'm going to use my Miss Claire palette, the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this maroon shade in this. So it's only like 2 or 3 products that I'm going to use, like not more than that, and it is so easy to do and so time consuming that you can do it like in 5 minutes. So first I'm going to take my pack 329 brush. I'm going to apply that maroon shade on my complete eyelid. Now I'm going to take the black shade and I'm just going to smoke it out at the ends. So I'm taking this black shade from the same Miss Claire palette, and I'm just going to smoke it out at the end. Now as I've applied the maroon shadow and then I've just smoked it out with the black, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild concealer and I am going to just apply it from the inner corner of my eye up to the mid part. So I'm going to blend that with the brush. To take this maroon shimmer shadow, which is almost the same color of my top, and I'm just going to apply it on the area where I actually applied my concealer. So I'm taking the same black shadow from Miss Claire again, and again I'm going to just smoke it out a little more on the ends. I'm going to take the same maroon shadow and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply my Lakme Iconic Kajal.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
As I'm done applying my liner, I'm going to apply my mascara, and this is the Estee Lauder mascara. I'm going to apply that.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
So as I am done applying my mascara, you can also put false lashes. Completely optional. I do put false lashes, but only at the time when I'm going for events. So this is the makeup look, like the eye makeup look, and it's very quick, it's very easy. You can just do it like anytime you want on any dress. This color, it literally changes the look. It is like over the edge. So just to complete this look, I'm going to apply my lip gloss, and this is from the Ambe, and it is in the shade Pink Berry. I'm going to apply that. So guys, this is the final look. It's completely fine if you don't apply your blush and the contour and highlighter. The eye makeup speaks for itself. So yeah, this is the final result, the final look. You can apply any lip gloss shade, like whichever you like. Lipstick, matte lipsticks, glossy lipsticks, nude, any shade, but I just thought of matching it up with my eye makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you get updated every time I post a new video. And please don't forget to add me on my Instagram and my Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video.